Alright people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. As you can see, I'm still down by the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex jungle, they would say. Definitely. So, I want to touch on a few things. Coach Heimir Hallgrimsson, let me tell you something. A lot of frustration boiling down now in regards to the fans. They are very, very frustrated. I can see that the numerous amount of videos that has been done and the social media space is booming. It's really, really booming. But I have to say we have to be patient. We have to be patient. For me personally, I think I lack confidence in the team in my son away, but this is just me. I don't know what you guys think. It's just me. I don't like to see we have a campaign and there's so much issues and noise and too much problems too early at the start of the campaign, in me personally. And to have a successful campaign, you need all hands on deck. You need everyone to be singing the same story from the same hymn. That's how you have a successful campaign. Anywhere, any business, anywhere in the world you find that. You have to be on the same hymn, singing the same song. But unfortunately, what we're seeing right now at the present moment is that a lot of frustration. Fans complaining about this, fans complain about every single details that they can. Fortunately, that fans will be fans. No, the JFF themselves not backing it in regards to not helping themselves in regards to so much internal issues just the same. I was just rewatching the interview by Coach Heimir Hallgrimsson, and I realized that to me personally seems as if some of the selection weren't necessarily of his, because you know, if you selected a particular amount of player, I do think that maybe I can also say maybe it's not that it's not that affair with the players, but I do believe that you selected the players. It would be simple to just ripple those names off the top of your head at one point when someone asks to repeat the names of the players in the squad, or asks to repeat the squad. It seems as if he wasn't sure of all the names, and that for me personally, that can be a cause for concern. Don't necessarily has to, but it can be a cause for concern. But I'm hoping so. But there's just too much niggling issues surrounding the campaign right now. We're a few days away from the matchup, and at present moment, too much negativity. Let's listen, people. We can definitely jump on board. Let's get everything. Let's get back to the negative aspect after we have completed the game. Let's see what the game has in store. As I said, not many people are confident going to this game because of various different issues. Unfortunately, that is football, and we look at things differently. But I'm really, really hoping that we can come together and pull through this one in particular. Reason being, because we need this win. We really, really need this win. If we don't get this win, we are in problem. We are going to be in problem if we don't get this win. Still have the Gold Cup coming up, but we need to get this one out of the way. Unfortunately, basically, you guys can look at the team, the players, just look at their social media, or what's happening on their social media. At present moment, it seems as if the players are enjoying each other's company. Look at just watch your social media page, people. Just keep an eye on that. It shows that they're enjoying each other's company. It shows that they are also having a good time in camp. It's just the fans and the going at it and the JFF. That's just the external factors. I'm happy that the players are happy with each other and are enjoying their company, each other's company. I'm happy for that, and that's what we want to see. So we want to see more of that, and we want to see the fans now coming on board and building a level of confidence. I want that, because I want my confidence to build, but confidence comes with a level of assurity that something is likely to happen, and at present moment we're not really seeing that, but we can also change the tone of how things are going at this present moment. But I'm confident we can get on board, and I'm very, very hopeful that we can get this one out of the way and see some level of success from this. If we should beat Mexico at the Azteca, that would be a big deal. It would be a big deal, and I'm hoping that we can get that job done. I'm not sure of the details when the team is traveling as yet. Still, we are waiting to see those details coming out. But at this present moment, Coach Heimir Hallgrimsson, I wish you the best. I wish you all the best, and I'm hoping that you are ignoring all the noise that is making out externally and focus on the job that you have at hand internally, which is getting the Reggae Boyz prepared and also getting them mentally and physically prepared and ready for the game, and also getting that duly reward result. It's been a couple of games now. We haven't seen any level of success or any level thing that we can hold on to. So we want this one. We're hoping to hold on to this one. Anyways, people, please do smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time, and I hope to see you guys. Anyways, big up people, MG Sports TV, and we are out.